Hello guys, we are going to be doing a demonstration of the CJB 600 watt. I'll let you screenshot that for a second, just make sure that you can buy it if you want to. And this federal signal siren, which kind of get this right here. Screenshot that. Okay, so yeah, this is gonna be our demonstration. So let me set up the camera. Like, where should I set this thing up? So first I'm gonna move this cord. What's in the way? I guess I could just hold it. So look, so then there's a panel that comes on, and you can push this here. And you could do this. These are your lamps right here. I don't know how to wire them, so I can use that. So, and then here's the lamp I wired up to the power so I can know it's on. And then there's the siren. There's whale 2, that's whale 2. That's high-low. That's Yelp. That is whale 1. This is traffic. That's Tool. Warning, never turn this up full. Just turn it just a tiny little bit, because then you'll break your ears. Because it also does have a warning for that. See, it has a warning. So yeah. So look. So basically, that is basically an attack signal. Stupid SC-10. Okay, you're not supposed to be in the video. So yeah, it's basically what you'd use it for. And this is more for like a car, but that can not get wet. None of this stuff can get wet. And then needs 12 volts. Always needs 12 volts. So let me give you an adapter. Screenshot that. You don't need a power supply, but there's my power supply. Connects to that power strip. There's the SD10 that went off. SD10? That thing just needs a kick to turn off. Oh, I forgot to show you something. You might be wondering, what's that vessel right there? Focus. That vessel right there? This vessel is actually your microphone. See? Where is it? I'll plug it in for you. Okay, see how that's plugged in? Just push it right in. And then when you have to put it on aux, you might want to turn up the volume a bit. See? I'll hear it pop. Like that. So, microphone testing. What's cool about it is, look. If you have it on aux, this is a test. This, oh, not loud enough. This is a test. This is only a test. This is a test. This is only a test. So let me zoom out. See, look. So here is the lamp. Good, zoom in here. There's no info on it. So yeah, it's basically all for the video. Bye.